Today I'm going to put in some LED LASFIT lights. This is the factory light I took out right here. Don't touch it. Try to put it in here and save it for later in case you have one of them burns out. I never used these before, so I don't know how good they are. And this is the new LED bulb. It's pretty much plug and play. It's very easy. Let's see, and you'll be able to see right here. I'm going to shine the headlight into the camera so you can see. Let's see, is it? Yeah, it's recording. Okay, I'm going to shine the light into the camera, which kind of is a dick thing to do, but you can see that one. Now let's look at the LED and see the difference. It's a big difference on that. And if it were not, you could really tell the difference. Now I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to do this. Let's walk around here and turn this lights off. And the thing is, when you plug in these LEDs in, and you think, oh, I didn't get it right, it's not coming on, doesn't come on, then what you got to do is unplug it. Like it plugs in this way, unplug it and turn it around and plug it that way, because LEDs are, they're particular. Alright, so I don't know if you're going to be able to see down here, but there's a rubber cap. You just peel it off. That's it right there. It just peels, grab hold of it and just peel it off. And you reach in there and get your headlight. Give it just like maybe a quarter of a turn around this way. And oh man, that's hot, because it just had lights on, so you got to get both your hands in there. It's got a little clip right there, so let's set this in here so we don't drop it. And then what I want to do is, I want to have more room, but I don't. The hardest part of this is jumbling this around till you can get two big old man hands in there. Unless you got Trump hands, then should go in there. Now leave it up there and just turn it on and make sure it works. Okay, so if it works, that means you got it in the right direction, clipped in, and just slide it back in there. You can see all these little clippy dudes here. Just slide it back in the hole. Take your time with it. Don't do this on a day you don't have patience, because it's gonna test your patience. I think they actually have a, let's see, this will turn so that you can actually turn the back of this to adjust your light beam. So once you get them in there, you'll pull and so you get it up to, point it at a wall or something, and then adjust your light beam. Now this one's harder to get in. All right, so there it is. And that's pretty much it. Then you just put the little rubber cap back on there the same way, but I'm going to pull it up against the wall and up against the garage so I can have me something to shine it on and see what it looks like. That's pretty much easy. So what'd that take, 4 or 5 minutes? So to change the two of them out, you're looking at maybe 10 minutes. All right, that's LEDs on a 2014 Ford Explorer Sport. Thanks for watching. See you later.